Start page in Actcad 2027 gives access to recent drawings, templates, and learning resources.
Actcad 2027 introduces a stylish, dark UI theme, reducing eye strain and giving your workspace a sleek, modern appearance that's easy on the eyes during long design sessions. Explore multiple visual styles to bring your models to life. Enjoy seamless and reliable compatibility. Import files like STEP and DGM with ease, and open DWG and DXF formats effortlessly for smooth, creative design work. Built on the latest IntelliCAD 14.1 engine technology, this platform delivers smarter tools, smoother workflows, and high performance you can rely on. The format menu, bar managers, layers, line types, drawing units, and the Dimension Style Manager for complete control. The Express Tools menu bar offers extended commands that boost productivity. It provides quick utilities for text dimensions, layers, layouts, and blocks, helping you design more efficiently. Aliases are shortcut keys that let you run commands faster, saving time and drafting. Easily switch between workspaces like Classic View and Markup and Minimal for a personalized and efficient design environment. With the Text Styles Manager, you can set consistent fonts. The Dimension Styles Manager ensures accurate and professional measurement annotations. The Multi-Leader Styles Manager helps create clear leader lines with custom LUTs. Use the Multi-Line Styles Manager to design parallel lines with specific spacing and formatting. Print Style Manager lets you define plotting styles for precise output. Table Style Manager. You can customize tables for clarity, but the Point Style feature allows you to adjust point symbols for better visibility. In Actcad, you can set the geolocation to define the exact coordinates of your drawing. After setting it, you can capture the map to display the satellite view in your workspace. If you no longer need the map, you can turn off the capture and continue working with your drawing normally. This helps in creating accurate site plans and location-based designs. The Whole Chart command creates and manages standardized whole tables, helping you easily and accurately document hole sizes, types, and positions efficiently for better design and manufacturing in your drawings. The Whole Chart table helps to delete rows or columns, add more circles to the table, and export the whole data quickly and easily to Excel for further analysis. The Power Trim command in Actcad allows you to quickly trim multiple entities by simply moving the cursor across them, without selecting boundaries each time. The Triangulate command creates a surface from selected points by joining them with triangles. It forms a tin model often used in surveying and terrain design, allowing you to quickly build accurate 3D surfaces for visualization and analysis. B-Search command. Type B-Search to open the block search palette. Enter or select a block name to find matching instances. All blocks will be highlighted, making them easy to locate. Measure Geom command. Type Measure Geom in the command line and press Enter. You will see options like distance, radius, angle, and area in the command prompt. Place the cursor on the object. It will be showing the measurement of the object, like distance, angle, and radius, etc. Actcad Converter helps you quickly convert drawing files between different formats. It's a fast and easy way to manage your designs without hassle, saving time and ensuring greater accuracy and efficiency. The PDF to DXF Converter. Actcad quickly transforms PDF drawings into accurate, editable DXF files, making it easy to reuse and modify designs in your CAD projects. The Image to CAD feature allows you to convert raster images, such as scanned drawings or pictures, into precise vector entities for easy editing. This tool helps transform static images into editable CAD geometry within seconds. The Import CSV Points command allows you to bring coordinate data directly from a CSV file into your drawing, making it easy to plot survey points and manage large datasets efficiently. With Points to CSV, you can quickly export coordinate data into a CSV file for easy sharing and further analysis. The export text command extracts drawing text into an external file. Set X and Y deviations to group misaligned text, then save it as TXT or CSV.
Actcad 2027 delivers up to 3 times faster performance, ensuring smooth handling of multiple drawings with faster zooming and navigation. Experience smooth graphics performance with 3D files, including STEP, IGES, RVT, IFC, 3D, PDF, and more.
If you're curious to learn more, head over to Actcad website where you can download a free trial or purchase the software. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.